Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am Mubin from Trendy Startups. So, guys, today we will learn how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So, now let's start. So, you will go to your Facebook account first. Now, you can see here there are three bars on upper right side. Okay, you will press them. Okay, you will go to setting and privacy. Okay, now you can see here there is settings on first place, so you will press it. Okay, then you will go to personal and account information. You can see, so you will go. Now you can see there are four options: name, contact info, identity confirmation, and fourth one is account ownership and control. So you can see here: manage your data, modify and your legacy, contact, deactivate, delete your account, and more. So you will open it. Now you can see here deactivation and deletion, so you will go for it. Okay, now you can see here there are two options: deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. So if you will delete, you can see deleting your account is permanent. So when you delete your Facebook account, so all its related information, your post, messages, your messenger, and even your virtual reality headbox information, information related to Oculus, so it will also be deleted. So if you want to do it, select it and you can continue to account deletion. But I don't think I will delete my account, so I will go back. So guys, how you can delete your Facebook account permanently? So I hope so it will be beneficial for you if you want to increase your productivity sometime, and social media is distraction for you. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe and share.